Hello, viewers. Happy Sunday to you all. How are you all doing today? I hope all is well with you. Good afternoon to you all. It's still your friend, Mr. Vitalis Chikanyamu, the mathematics content creator. I'm back again for you. This moment, we have a problem for you this morning. Remember to share our videos to your friends, subscribe, like, and follow us on TikTok and Facebook, and also YouTube. Our YouTube name is Chikanyamu and our TikTok name is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Thank you. Sit tight and watch this video. It's well with you. Now look at that problem. Take a look at that problem on the board. Solve for S. If 4 plus root 15 raised to power x plus 4 minus root 15 raised to power x equal to 62. Now, to solve this problem, this is conjugate of this or symmetric of this, or symmetric to this. So what we do is let us solve it by substitution method. Let t be equal to 4 plus root 15 raised to power x. It will imply immediately that 1 over t will be equal to 4 minus root 15 raised to power what? S. Why? Because this is symmetric to this, so this is reciprocal to this. So whatever we are going back there, we substitute t for this and 1 over t for this, and when we do that, we are going to have t plus 1 over t equal to 62, right? Equal to 62. That's what we have now. Then the next thing we do is we multiply. Let's call this equation 1. Multiply equation 1 by t so that we can make this linear. Can make this what? Linear, right? So let's 1 times t. And when we do that, we are going to have t times t will give us t squared plus t times 1 over t, we have only 1 there, plus 1 equal to 62, right? Now, when we move this 62 back, we are going to have t squared minus, equal to 62t, equal to 62t. When we move this 62t back, we are going to have t squared minus 62t, then plus 1. Plus what? 1. Remember, everything here will be equal to 0. So we now have equation 2, and equation 2 is a quadratic equation. And when you compare this quadratic equation with the general form of a quadratic formula, you know that the general form of a quadratic formula is as squared plus bs plus c equal to 0. So here our a is 1, our b is minus 62, and our c is 1. So we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 62, and c equal to 1, right? Good. Now the next thing we do is we record the quadratic formula, the what? Quadratic formula, or what is called almighty formula. And it says t, in terms of t now, t will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, remember that. So we substitute the values of a, b, and c where necessary. So remember that here b is minus 62. Here b is what? Minus 62. So we are going to have minus, which is in the formula, into minus 62 plus or minus square root of, now this is minus 62 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1, because a is 1, c is what? 1, all in square root form, all over 2 times 1. Good. Are we following? Viewers, I hope you are following me. Look at what we have done so far. Hope you are following. So the next thing we do is, now minus times minus is plus, so we have ordinary 62 there, plus or minus square root of, now minus 62 all squared will give us 3,844, right? When you use a mathematical calculator, you do it 3,844. Now 4 times 1 times 1 will give us 4, minus 4, right? All over 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so proceeding from there, we have 62 plus or minus square root of, now 3844 minus 4 will give us 3840. Okay, all over 2. Okay, make it progressing from there. Now, the next thing we do is, 62 plus or minus. Now, this 38440 is the perfect square. The square root of that is 62. So we have 62 all over what? 2. So we have two values of s now. Sorry, two values of t now in terms of t, remember. So the first one will be t equal to 62 minus 62 all over 2, and that is 0. That is when t is equal to 0. When we take the negative sign, right? Again, and or t equal to 62 plus 62 all over what? 2. Are you seeing that? And this will give us just 62, because 62 plus 62 is 124. 124 divided by 2 is just what? 62. So we have that. But I want you to know that t must be greater than 0. So therefore, since t must be greater than 0, this t equal to 0 is not part of our solution set, so we can cancel it out. So we only have one particular solution to that. We have t equal to what? 62. Okay. Now we recall again that we said that let t be equal to what? 4 plus root 15 all raised to power what? X, right? Now, whenever you see t, we put 62. So we are saying invariably that 62 will be equal to 4 plus root 15 raised to power what? X. Okay, so now what we do is to take the natural logarithm of both sides. So ln 62 will be equal to ln 4 plus root 15 raised to power x. According to the laws of logarithm, this power will come back at the back of the ln. So we are going to have ln 62 equal to s ln 4 plus root 15. Okay. Now, when we divide both sides by the coefficient of the x now here, we are going to have that s will be equal to ln 62 all over ln 4 plus root 15. Okay, that's what we have. Now, when you use your mathematical calculator to calculate this ln 62 over ln 4 plus root 15, you are going to have approximately to 3 decimal places of 4 significant figures, 3.235. Therefore, x, the value of s is 3.235 to 4 significant figures or to 3 decimal places. Is that clear? If you want to know whether we are in order, please sit down and check. Put the value of s here. Put the value of s here as 3.235, and then also put it here. See whether after solving this you can get 62 at the right hand side. Thank you so much. God bless you. You saw what we have done so far. I want you to sit down on your own and view it and study it on your own carefully. See if you can get this answer we have gotten. Viewers, I know you understood it, right? Viewers, please, in case if you have any challenge with this question we have just solved, don't hesitate to drop your comment on our comment section. We are always here to attend to you. God bless you. Bye. Cheers. Happy Sunday to you all.